Welcome to 30-Day Reviews, where I use all the products for around 30 days before giving you a full honest review. I'm Justin, and today we are taking a look at a product from Naked Armor. They were so nice to send me over this full shaving kit. Now, I have already showed you the DE Razor kit. I have already showed you their brush, and today we are taking a close look at their Cartridge Razor. Now, as you may know, I'm not a huge fan of cartridge razors anymore. However, I do have to say this is one of the most comfortable ones that I have ever used. Now, as I just mentioned, this is a cartridge type razor, which means that you can buy replaceable heads for it. The particular head that you're going to want to look for this razor is going to be the single pin head type, which basically is the Gillette Fusion 5 blades. So if you like those, they are a pretty good blade. It provides nice spring back. They are fairly easy to find. Most of your big box stores or anywhere that sells blades will probably have this blade in stock, which is definitely a plus. Now, because this isn't one of their blades or anything, we're going to be mainly focusing on the handle of it during the rest of this review. Now, the razor handle itself has a nice chrome head as well as a chrome end on it that sandwiches a very nicely done sandalwood handle. The chrome ends pretty much add a little bit more weight to the razor handle, which makes it a very comfortable shave. And the wood handle just really feels organic. It feels nice. It is a nice warm handle by the time I get it out of the shower and the room is nice and steamy. The way that they have done the curves of the head and the end of this just fits the fingers very nicely. I was rather impressed with how comfortable holding this razor actually was. My hand never felt out of place. Now, a lot of razors that have this particular head, I noticed when I was doing a little bit of research that they tend to have a plastic head on them, and this one isn't that, guys. This whole head up here is stainless steel. Now, obviously your button here and the little mechanics inside of it are plastic, but the rest of it is probably stainless steel with a nice chrome coating on it. Now, my experience using this, well, to be honest with you, I didn't use this as much as I probably should have, just because, well, I do prefer the double-edged razors. However, the times that I did use this, I actually enjoyed using this one because of the angle of everything, and just the feel of the handle is a very enjoyable shave. So if you like the Gillette Fusion 5s, you're probably definitely gonna like this handle. It is just very nice and comfortable. Now for the hard part, do I think that this razor kit is worth your money? Well, I can look at it a couple different ways. Can look at it as you are getting a full kit. You're getting a product that is basically wrapped, and with the holidays coming up, that might not be such a bad thing and might be worth a little extra money. But then I have to look at it as you're basically getting this mostly for the razor for this kit. And well, I said that the double edge razor was worth it because it's gonna last you a really long time. I mean, essentially you could be shaving with that the rest of your life if you wanted to. However, because of the nature of these cartridge razors, things can go wrong with them. Springs here can wear out. You can have the little hooks here break on you over time. So you're not looking at something that's going to last you probably the rest of your life. So I would have to say that for this kit, for myself anyway, I don't think that it's exactly worth the $100 that this kit comes in at. However, if you are looking for a nice gift for somebody that is just starting to shave and that hasn't gotten into the double-edged razors yet, you actually have a pretty nice kit here, and it's going to last them a good long time provided they're not really hard on the razor itself. That being said, I hope that you enjoyed this honest review of this product, and I hope that you will take a look at Naked Armor's website, because they definitely do have some good products on there, and there's a link down below for you guys to go ahead and do that. If you like this review, of course, as always, hit that subscribe, hit that bell if you haven't already. And if you want to see my other reviews of Naked Armor products, make sure to check out the playlist to the right. Below that's going to be a video that you're probably going to enjoy as well. So until next time, you have a good one.